Good morning, Collaborate. Hope you guys are having a great time at the show. I'm Chaco Thomas with IBM,
I'm Gustavo Varizon from Innova9.
and we're here to introduce you to our session that's going to happen tomorrow.
Yeah, we are super excited. Because we're going to talk about disruptive technologies, drones, blockchain, AI, augmented reality, and we're going to be at Mandalay Bay Ballroom B from 2:30 to 3:30. So we are super excited for you to join us in this session. So here's Chaco going to show us what IBM prepared for you.
So you don't want to miss this session. We got a number of topics on the agenda. As Gustavo mentioned, it's at the Mandalay Bay Ballroom B from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. We're going to introduce blockchain. Blockchain for JD Edwards, blockchain for the Oracle community. We're going to introduce you to the blockchain concepts. We're going to play a really cool blockchain
It's
game.
a game.
Okay? And then we're going to get into more interesting topics around artificial intelligence, automation. We'll show you a solution, a real solution called direct to consumer, which is being, for the winery industry. We'll show you a JD Edwards user assist chatbot, which is empowered by machine learning. And Gustavo is going to talk about the future. Everything that I talk about are real solutions that's available, that we've already built out. It's available now. And
Yeah.
Gustavo is going to talk about the future. What are you going to talk about?
Yeah,
Gustavo?
let's talk about drones, automated fleet, 3D printing, all related to JD Edwards. You can't miss this session. So
Join us.
join us in Las Vegas. Join us in Vegas.
Wow. Look at that.
Yay.
All right, we're excited. Thank
All right.
you.
See you tomorrow at 2:30.
So tomorrow, 2:30, Mandalay Bay
Ballroom B.
Ballroom B.